What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video is greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, and talking about getting real-time buy and sell alerts and my trade ideas, guys. Apple yesterday I got in at 126, 130 calls, and the next day got paid, which is today. Apple delivered all the way up to 130.48, sold out, just holding some runners. And this is exactly what you get. Whatever investment that I make in real time, I share all that in my Discord. You gotta check out the Patreon and then the Discord. Definitely, I'll leave a link down below in the description. So Apple stock, I made good money here on Apple stock, and now we're actually trading, unfortunately, under 130. That would be more bullish if we can get above 130, but that didn't happen. We tried all day, and now Apple stock sitting under 130, and yesterday we made a new 52-week low. Now going into tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is going to be the last day of 2022. So this rally can definitely continue, but Apple needs to get above 130. If that happens, this dead cat will bounce even higher, all the way up to 133, 135. Below 130, no chance. We could be coming all the way back down to 125, and that is a strong support level here on Apple stock. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. Now on Microsoft, on the other hand, I took a short position here on Microsoft, just a small position, not a full position yet. I'll be adding, if you look at my screen, I got some 200 puts, way out of the money, because I'm betting big here on Microsoft going into 2023. I think we're going to see Microsoft coming down and at least filling this gap down here at 228 and possibly going even lower, somewhere close to March. Now Microsoft going into tomorrow, finally we got to close above 240 and also holding 241 as a support, red line 50 SMA. Now I'll be adding more into my position. It's a small position. We have resistance at 244, 245. That's where I'll be adding more into my position, and the next add will be up here at 250. That is also a strong resistance here on Microsoft. Below 240, we're coming back down to 237.88, and soon as that gives up, all the way back down to 232, and that could be also coming. But I think the way market is looking, there might be some juice left in the market. We could see this rally continuing for another few days, and then a dump off going into next year, and that could be coming. I mean, we could see a rally going into beginning of the year, which is going to be next week, into the following week before CPI, and then the dump off could come after CPI, guys. So be careful if you're in the market and buying and going long here on Microsoft. Yes, we can possibly go up to 245, 250, but look at the downside. We could be going all the way back down to 228 and possibly going even lower, back down to even 212 where we held before. And now we're going to look at Tesla. So if you guys watched that video I made Sunday, it was only one video and it was on Tesla, guys, that Tesla can rally 20%. Now, yes, we did not get exactly 20%, but nobody can say Tesla will rally 20% and it's going to rally exactly 20%. But I caught this move. I've been playing Tesla for last few days. I know the relief rally, the dead cat bounce, whatever you want to call it, it's going to come. And I've been calling it out that soon or later, we're going to see a massive, massive rally to the upside. And Tesla was up almost 10% today. I mean, look at this, 123.57 high for the day. We fill this gap up here, and now we're trading actually above 120, nicely sitting at 122.45 after hours. So Tesla, I sold out, only keeping 3 runners. I had 25 contracts, and those went through the roof. And not only that, in the morning after selling out of my calls, I got some quick puts, and that was only like, I would say 2 to 3 minutes, guys. 105 puts right at opening. Within 2 minutes, they went up to almost 48 cents. They were like 22 cents. So that was a massive, massive trade here on Tesla. And this thing actually paid a lot of money today and could be paying even more. If we can hold 120 as a support here on Tesla, we could see this rally continuing. And in that case, I showed you guys before, and I see a lot of people are also looking at it right now, a lot of other YouTubers, that we got disconnected from this lower Bollinger Band on this monthly chart, and which is sitting around 136, 137. So we could possibly retrace that Bollinger Band, and in that case, Tesla can run all the way up to 130, 135 to even 140. As of right now, we have strong resistance at 130 and then 139.30 on this daily chart because of this orange line, 13 SMA. Strong support at 120, and below that we could be coming all the way back down to 110 here on Tesla. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, we are also up 4% on the day, and this thing sitting above 119 and also sitting above all the moving averages here on this daily chart, which is sitting close to 118. So we have supported 119 and 118, and below that, watch out for 113.47 and then 112. Tomorrow, if we can hold 119 as a support, if not 118, white line 20 SMA, we're going to see a move all the way up to 124. And soon as we get that breakout above 124, Meta can run all the way up to 128.49 to fill this gap up here. To the downside, only time will tell where the stock is going. So you got to wait and watch. I mean, look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. And this will be the 6th time Meta trying to break 124, and only if that breaks, there is more upside in another $4 or $5 all the way up to 128.49, below 112, and that is coming next year. I think we're going to come back down, possibly hitting 124 again, and who knows, maybe even closing this gap at 128.49, then coming back down, and Meta will be filling all these gaps down here, starting with one at $98 and then one down below at $91.64. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock, we're up 2.88% on the day, and Amazon getting that dead cat bounce after hitting that new 52-week low yesterday, 81.69, and now we're trading above $84, holding blue line 5 SMA as a support. Now, before we get into this technicals here on this daily chart, let me show you guys something on Amazon. Amazon at a buy zone if you're going long term. This is a great deal. This is the monthly chart, and look at this, guys, from 188. Now you're getting this stock for only $80. That is a great deal if you're going long term. I just thought maybe I can share that with you guys because there's not much downside here on Amazon. Possibly get down to, I would say, $70 to $68, and that is it. I don't see, even on a crash, Amazon already priced in. This thing, if you look at my screen, Tesla was going down, Apple was going down, but Amazon was still going down, but it's slow. It's not going down $10 a day. So Amazon does not have much downside. If you're a long-term investor, this is a great deal here on Amazon. This thing can definitely double from where it is right now if you can hold on long term. Now on Amazon, on this daily chart, we have supported 84 now because of this blue line 5 SMA, and if that holds tomorrow, we're going to see a move all the way up to 86.61, and then the next resistance will be at 88.13, white line 20 SMA, all the way up to $90. Downside support below 84, we could be coming all the way back down to critical support, and that is going to be $80 down here. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, we're also up close to 3% on the day, and Google also getting a dead cat bounce, and now we're trading above $88, holding blue line 5 SMA as a support. So going into tomorrow, watch $88 as a support, below that down here at 85. 88 can hold here on Google. We could see a move all the way up to $90.56, orange line 13 SMA, and above that, watch out for 92.93, white line 20 SMA, and then 94.48, red line 50 SMA. Once we get up to 95, then we can talk about more upside. As of right now, all the tech stocks are getting a dead cat bounce, so nothing is over yet, guys. You cannot be bullish right now unless you're long term. You can buy at this level, but in the short term, nothing bullish here on 6 big tech stocks. We're getting just a dead cat bounce. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, everybody.